Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Nawaz. I am a mechanical engineer by profession. Basically, what is the skill? Skill is an expertise which you need to overcome or complete a project. There could be two types of skills. One are domain general skills and domain specific skills. So if you're in any of the profession, you could get like domain specific skills. That might be technical skills or whatever your profession asks about the skills from you. So domain specific skills you could get from the school where you are studying. We're going to talk about how ASME helped me in the enhancement of extracurricular skills that the books might not give to us. So my journey with ASME started in 2013. It's always about that, how could we be different from the others? It's always about like, how could we collect a different feather into our cap? As soon as I initiated my engagement with ASME, I had to participate with the whole of my team in HPVC and SPDC 2014. HPVC is an event in which the entire team has to design and manufacture a human-powered vehicle. So it was a big challenge for me and the entire team because we had never participated in that kind of event before. And I had to do like each and everything, starting from identification of the team members, make them competent enough to compete with the national level teams. That gave me a very good confidence into my leadership skills. Immediately after that, I was given an position of a member at large SDOB, that is Student District Operating Board. Basically, these are the things which encourage us or say which polish my leadership skills. We need to be very competent. We need a lot more communication skills, leadership skills, management and team building, I would say. So once again, I had responsibilities. That is SPDC, Student Professional Development Conference, which is a series of 3 days event. It includes the expert talks and the events. So I had to contact all the experts who are going to be talking. I need to arrange their schedule, the itinerary, the students, those who are coming, the registrations, the accommodations. I need to make sure that all the things are going well as per the quality standards. So that enhanced all of these skills. So I continued with my journey, and then I was given a responsibility as I volunteered in interacting with the different student sections. That is, I helped the ASME in increasing its awareness in the development of new student sections. I met their faculty members, the student section advisors, and the directors, principal, institute representatives. I had to talk with them on a large forum. I had to talk with the ASME representatives, the volunteers. So this all gave me my communication skills. I was not aware that I'm developing this all skills. I further volunteered myself with being a judge of E-Fest, that is ASME HPVC 2017, and some volunteering at the E-Fest and EFX. Both are the student programs that ASME runs for the engagement of the student community. I acted as a mentor to all the students, that the organizers specifically. At the end of like about 5 years, I have all the skills which I needed as an engineer. I have a very good career. I have many job opportunities. I wanted it to give it back to the community, that is young people. I engaged myself in student design committee. I am a member of the student design committee and a chairperson of the ASME India group leadership team. So that is how it works. The key takeaways of my talk: you need to participate. Once you participate, you obviously develop other skills which you need. Once you have those skills, you need to volunteer so that you could interact to keep the ball rolling. Somebody gave me the skills and it's my duty and my responsibility to keep the thing going. I volunteer at many places. That's how I could contribute, and that's what I wanted to mean it all about. Thank you very much.